Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing a bit of bridging practice. I've been working on my Breezily bridging, and I can drag click. I'm okay at it. I can get like 15-20 CPS. Yeah, so I've been practicing schneller bridging. I'm not very good at that, but yeah, I'm actually getting really good drags right now. I have a bit of a morning voice because, yeah, I woke up about an hour ago. Oh, dang it. Alright, well, I'm gonna try to put some good clips into the video of just some good bridges. I can god bridge a bit. I can't long drag click with this mouse. I'm on the glorious Model O. But it's really hard to long drag click. Dang it. Alright, well. Alright, well, I went too far to the side on that one. Otherwise, that was a good run. Oh, that was good. And by the way, this server is really good for practicing bridging on. It's mcplayhd.net. It's up in the, yeah, it's up in the, what's it called? Little like tab thingy. It's there. Aw. There's one super secret setting that I do like. That one. I kind of like this one. It just has these really weird noises. Now they're gone. But this is kind of cool because like you don't really like, you're not focusing on the block. I don't know. I just kind of like this one. Dang it. Yeah, that's a schneller for sure, right? That's totally a schneller. That was really good. That was a really good run. Oh, well, I don't have any blocks now. That sucks. Alright, well. If you guys like and subscribe right now, I bet I'll get a good run. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, like and subscribe. Do the thing. See, I got a good run. Look at that. You guys liked and subscribed. And 30% of you guys are not subscribed. 37.3% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. So do that now. Oh my god, I'm just gonna cut on. Subscribe. Subscribe right now, and you'll be able to do this just like me. Haha, yeah. I mean, if you're one of my friends that only plays on Xbox, you can already do this. It's just like you hold down click and you just go backwards and you bridge. You can even just do this. You just go like, and then you just start bridging. Bedrock Edition bridging is oh god, overpowered. Hello everyone, thanks for watching today's video. Right now, oh my god, full screen recording isn't really working right now, which kinda sucks, but yeah, I had to come back on and record an outro, because I kinda forgot that, but, if you guys hit maybe 40 likes on this video, I'll do more like it, like a faster montage type thing that doesn't take up a very long time. I hope you enjoy, like, just some clips of me bridging. And yeah, let's just see where I get next time. See if I can consistently breezily bridge. Yeah, so I guess I'll see you in the next video. And goodbye.